Friends, I have observed that a civil freshers engineers lives in a dilemma after completing their engineering degrees. Most of the time, freshers do the job of site engineer. This happens with freshers civil engineers because they don't know the plan for their career. Guys, listen carefully. You always think that getting into design is a difficult task. An academic should be very good and should have a master's degree. Then and then only one can go into the design field. Friends, this assumption of yours is a myth. Yes, let me tell you today what and how preparation should be done by civil fresher engineers to get a job in the structural building design industry. To go into the design field, you have to understand what the requirement in the industry is. In the industry, an employee is required to solve ready-made skills project. If you learn these skills, then 100% you will get a job in the design field. It is very easy to go into the design field. You have to learn some software and make industrial projects. You must first learn AutoCAD software. AutoCAD is a very popular software. You must know how to make engineer drawing in AutoCAD. Speaking about industrial drawings, you have to create a drawing of a large industrial project in your AutoCAD software, which should have a general layout design, RCC foundation layout design, plant design, RCC detailing drawing, water drainage system drawing, plumbing layout drawing, firefighting layout drawing, such drawings, right? Similarly, the name of the projects in your portfolio like hospital design, five-star hotel design, mall design, university design, steel design layout, it is important to have the name of the project in your resume. It will take you about a month to learn this, but you will become 100% confident. Trust me, if you show such a project in a job interview and show your work, then 100% you will be selected for a job post. You should not make the mistake of just learning AutoCAD and applying for the job post. You will have to learn AutoCAD software and Revit software further. In Revit software, you will work in three dimensions. This software works on BIM technology, which means building information modeling. In today's era, all industries are using Revit software because today's industrial projects are very complex projects. And in this software, you can create such a complex projects like row house, residential building, commercial building, malls, stadium, airport. And it is important to have this type of complex structure in your resume also. It will take you at least 1 to 1.5 months to learn this Revit software. When you have this type of projects, your confidence will increase a lot. AutoCAD and Revit, these two software will take your 3D modeling and detailing skills to the next step. You need to do further StatPro and ETABS softwares. It will take you a month to learn these softwares. After learning this software, you will come to design RCC and steel. There's such projects like RCC and steel are like mobile towers, truss, high-rise buildings, and industrial shade should appear in your resume also. Remember that whatever you have designed, you must also know the detailing of it because you have to do that detailing in AutoCAD also. With this method of project detailing, when you go to the job interview, then your selection is 100% confirmed. After this, you have to learn one more important software and their names are Microsoft Project and Primavera. After learning these softwares, you will get the knowledge of all the project activities from the start to the end of the project. All the projects that you have created in your AutoCAD, Revit, StatPro and ETABS, for those you have to create schedules of activities in MSP and Primavera softwares. After learning these softwares, you get to know how much quantity of man, machine and material is needed in the project and how much it will cost to you. It will take you around a month to learn this software. It will take you to at least 3 to 4 months to learn this all softwares. You will be fully prepared to get a job in the design field. You will have a project portfolio of each software. It will give you 100% confidence, because of which you will be easily selected in an interview. Do not forget to give information about the projects you have created in each software in your resume. This is a very important thing. Because of this, your resume will get shortlisted in an interview. Friends, how did you like this video? And if you have any questions, any query, then you will definitely tell me in the comment box. I will definitely reply to your questions. I am the founder of Freshers Engineering Community. I am on the mission of how a fresher engineer can earn maximum money by doing a job in the design field. To participate in the upcoming live webinar, you can register your name by visiting the link given in the description box. If you want to contact me, then you can call or message on the WhatsApp number given in the description box. That's it for today. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.